Now then, can I get this whole Tetris game to work with some simple tools like a screwdriver maybe and some stuff, spray stuff. And yes, I remembered to put my glasses on. So it won't come on. Sort of comes on, but won't stay on. I'm just wondering if there's any rust in the contacts look a little bit rusty. So I'm just wondering if there's going to be any rust in the switches inside. Oh, just now we've put that the wrong way around. That can't be good for it. Oh, hold on. You can get game one, game two, game three. Now I know game one is the normal game. Game two is faster game, and game three is ultimate. Press See when you press the start button, nothing happens. Okay, we're back in. Different screwdriver. It's much easier. So let's see what we have inside. Not really much to it. I'm thinking it might be something. Ooh, gee. It's very messy around there, but I'm thinking it might be something on this control board. Maybe the buttons won't fire up. Let's go inside and have a look. Of all the games I purchased in the... Oh, I wonder if that's... No. Thought that might have been an extra wire being added in there. Let's take a look. What do we have here? Look at... Oh yeah, they do look a little bit dirty. So let's just clean them off. Use contact cleaner, and I've got some alcohol as well. Give that a go. A little bit on that. It doesn't look like the buttons are connecting. Let's see. Clean them up. Clean the other buttons, do you think? I'm pretty sure that other one worked. I think it's more this on and off button here. If this works, I'll be very, very surprised. So I think that gets the slot in there and then slot on there, and then back it goes. That's one on. Put the other one in. Jeez. Maurice. Oh. I don't know what it could be if it's not these. Could be something on the board. I think we'll just do one thing at once first. Let's check the power cable. Yeah, it's going in. Connected. And connected. So let's just click it together. A battery in and a battery in. Oh. Oh! Oh my god. Seriously? Are you joking? That? No way. No way. I don't know what to say. I'm gobsmacked. Let's put it back together. Oh my jeez. I can't believe I just fixed that. Seriously guys, I really can't believe I just fixed that. Oh my. I think that's the first serious fix I've done. Well, not serious, it's just a Tetris game. But yeah, that's yeah, that is. I had a feeling it could be something to do with the buttons, but I didn't think it'd be that easy. Just shows you if you don't take a look and try, it might not work. It might work, it might not work. It works. Gee, I can't believe it works. I really don't believe it works. Let's put all these in. Let's put the back on. Alcohol spray, and there we are. Let's do game one. You can flip the, you use this to flip the thing around, the square around, and then you use, oh, you can go faster and move it across. Ah, right, yeah, with the other one, and bring it down quick. I'm going to put that. Nope, there. Hold on. Oh, which way? That way. Put it there. Yep, got a line. Silly game. And there's stop. Paused. Oh, it pauses. Wow, it works. Let's clean it up. Give it a bit of a clean. And just use some alcohol on it. Well, I'll give it a better clean off camera. So there you go. It works. I can't believe that. I can't believe I've just fixed it. Till next time.